Start by closing your eyes. Sit up tall and let your shoulders fall away from your ears and relax down your back. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deep into your belly and completely exhaling the old air out of your lungs. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. With every exhale, try to relax your body, releasing tension from your forehead, around the eyes, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your abdomen, your stomach, and your hips. Notice the sturdiness of the surface beneath you. Ground yourself in that solidness. If your back is to a wall or the back of a chair, notice that feeling. Embrace that support. Notice the air circulating around your skin. Is it warm? Do you feel a little bit of a chill? Bring your attention to your stomach and abdomen areas. If your stomach is still tense or tight, soften it with your next exhale. Next, bring awareness to your ears. What sounds do you hear around you? Try not to judge the sounds, just notice them. Can you hear your breathing or other sounds in your immediate proximity? What about sounds that are farther away, like traffic? Bring awareness to your nose and sense of smell next. Are there leftover scents from the last thing you cooked? Smells from a lit candle? Again, try not to judge the smells. Just notice them. Notice the smells of your environment and take a moment to sharpen your attention to them. Bring some awareness to your mouth and your taste buds. Notice any aftertastes from previous drinks or meals. Notice any dryness to your throat. You can run your tongue along your teeth, gums, and cheek, and bring awareness to any textures or tastes. Slowly open your eyes and bring awareness to your surroundings. Notice the basic shapes making up objects in the room. Notice the colors present. Try not to judge your surroundings or any details you notice. Just be there in the room, fully present. Be aware of your whole body as best you can. Take another deep inhale and a deep exhale. Thank you for joining me for this mindfulness exercise. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more content like this. Enjoy the rest of your day or have a relaxing evening.